What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be announcing the winner of the ECS Tuning gift card. So here we go. So guys, I had the pleasure of filming this entire video and then sitting down, getting ready to edit it, and realizing that my audio didn't record for probably about 2/3 of the video. But I diagnosed the issue with my shifter. I'm really kind of upset about what happened. Here we go, sit back, relax. All right, guys, I'm really upset that this has happened, but I thought the bushings were bad in this, which they probably could be changed. But the issue is, if you can see this, that little piece right here in the transmission is not moving, and this is play in the short third shifter itself, because these little teeth that hook onto this piece that comes off the transmission have worn away. That slop and that play is because of this. The short throw shifter has rotted away and disintegrated to the point where these teeth aren't hooking up with this anymore. And I'm really hoping that didn't screw up my piece coming off my transmission, but I don't think there's any way to get that fixed other than putting a new one on, unfortunately. Anyways, let's get to picking the winner for the ECS Tuning gift card. Now, basically all I'm gonna do is go on to the video, and I wanna thank everybody that watched that video. It's got almost 17,000 views, 450 thumbs up, 316 comments, and I've jumped probably about 200 and some subs since I posted that video, which is really, really cool. But I'm gonna click on the video, I'm gonna click on the comments of the video, and basically what I'm gonna do is load every single comment, and then I'm going to randomly swipe up and down, put my finger on it, and see who that is gonna be. I get the whole way up, the whole way down, the whole way down, the whole way up. Who's it gonna be? And it can't be anybody I know. Alrighty, Apr Awad says, stock Mk7 GTI here, $50 gift card will go to a downpipe. Apr Awad, I'm gonna be hitting you up, sending you the $50 gift card. Get that downpipe, it's a good time to get it. Again, thank you guys, everybody, for watching that video. Thanks for watching this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you're thinking, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great holiday. Peace.